Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome to Basic Benjamin. Today I've been invited by Audi South Africa to come and shoot the brand new Audi A1, and today we're going to be able to go and test drive these cars and take them with us and go and see what it really is like to drive the new 35 as well as the 40, so the 1.5 litre as well as the 2 litre. You guys are going to enjoy this vlog. I mean, if you guys can just see the setup behind me, it's going to be a good day. Check who I'm partnering up with today in our Edition 1 A1, which is a 2 litre with the full Sportback as well as an S-line. Dude, are you driving first?
Yeah, man.
Sweet.
I'm gonna try this out.
Sweet, so I'm gonna be in the passenger seat for the first little stint to get some cool footage as well as some photos. Take it from there. Okay, so we basically got given a route check so that we don't stray off the path. With the new homologation, it is basically the 40 TFSI instead of a standard 2 litre.
Oh, this thing is slippery. Whoa.
Yo, for like a 2 litre A1, you can really feel the difference. Has it got pedal shifts?
Yep.
No. So basically we're going to be traveling around the ring of Joburg, so the outer side of Joburg going all the way to Hartbeespoort Dam. We're also going to be doing a driver change to the 35, which is the new 1.5 TFSI motor, so we can do like a real comprehensive review of what it's from the 2 litre down to a 1.5, which is their brand new 3-cylinder.
Yeah.
3-cylinder, yeah. Cool things on the new Audi A1 is that you get a picture and the base of where the Audi is planted. Depending on what setting you put it on, they change. You got your color curbs like on a racetrack when you put in dynamic. Pretty cool, small little feature that makes a big difference. So we finally got to one of our photo op areas that we're going to take photos of the pillars out here by the Cradle of Humankind. So you can see the cars positioned behind me, which we're going to pretty much shoot from where we're sitting or where you're watching from up, so we can get all the pillars in. And it's really nice because the cloud cover at the moment has come over, gives some nice contrast as well as some really nice soft shadows over the cars, so you can really pull out a lot of color, a lot of contrast, but at the same time you can also get like a really nice shot without any of the light pinging off the paint. Pinging means any really bright, harsh spots bouncing back into the lens, which it just blows out the picture completely. So this looks quite nice. What do you guys think? The nice thing about today is that because of all the A1s for the launch, we managed to grab the 2 litre. We managed to grab the 2 litre Edition 1, which is the only Edition 1 that's here on the press launch at the moment, which is really nice. So it comes in Python yellow. It's the same one that you guys saw at the Festival of Motoring about 2 weeks back. But this one is the only one on the launch today. So we're quite lucky to get our hands on this one, especially the 2 litre. Now we're going to go and jump into a 1.5, and apparently it's amazing, apparently it's great, but I mean, we're going to have to see about that. So the finishes from a VW to an Audi are quite prevalent in this model of the Audi A1. I mean, full touchscreen, full multifunction MMI, full standard digital cluster.
So you get a very basic one.
Is this the basic one or is this the...
I think this is the basic one.
Oh, okay.
And then on top of this you get virtual cockpit, which is the slightly more fancier one. Everything is digital. And then above that you can spec it virtual cockpit plus, which is I think an even bigger screen. It's just the one you want.
Also it's really nice with a perforated steering wheel. Very TT style steering wheel with a flat bottom. And this. And the new S design on the inside. Even though this is an S1, still has the S seats as well, which are a combination of material as well as leather. And one of the most important things for everyone that forgets to charge their phones, it has your own built-in wireless charger. So we're currently on an abandoned part here in Hardy's, where a lot of guys from South Africa come take photos of cars, and they're currently doing construction on the road, so we can use the one side but not the other side, but we can get some pretty sick content here. Dude, even like this, and if you park like here and just like hook it at an angle. So we were able to get onto this abandoned highway, which is pretty cool. the new Audi A1. I don't know if you guys can hear me because the wind is quite hectic behind this, but we're also expecting a new Audi A1 to come and join us as well, which is a red one, which is pretty much on that side. And we're going to do a quick little photo shoot to try and get some really nice shots of this car. We'll sell my S34 instantly. I mean, it's even got launch control. It's a 2-liter. It's crazy. Conclusion on this car.
Oh, I love it. I want one.
Akivan's currently got a Volvo with him at the moment. Would you swap that car for this?
Volvo XC90 is like a big 7-seater SUV. Would I swap it out for this? Yes. I don't have a family. I don't have people I need to transport. I just need a car for me and I need some speed. Perfect.
100. Crazy. I mean, the nice thing is how responsive this car is. Anywhere from 20 years old to, I'd even say 35. Like, it's quite a big market that this car can fill. Obviously, like, the big thing is if you have a family, this car's not 100% ideal, but it's pretty close to. Hey. So yeah, that's Almir from the project, which he runs most of the marketing for Audi South Africa. So he hooked us up with a lot of our content for today.
He got that exclusive.
So today I shot with Audi and it was fantastic to finally be able to drive the Audi A1. But check this place out. How cool is this? It says right street, wrong party. I mean, this house is incredible. This is pretty much where they hosted the Bachelor South Africa. So let me take a shot so that you guys can see how beautiful this location is. Just get a little bit of a taste of what Audi like to do for their influencers as well as the guys that relate to their products. So a massive thank you to Audi South Africa for allowing me to show you the brand new Audi A1 and for us to go and take it for a test drive. If you guys enjoyed this content, remember to like as well as subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. See you soon. Ciao for now.